Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 320i M Sport Shadow Edition. Now it is in the fantastic BMW individual paint Grigio Telesto. You've also got the carbon and performance styling kit on this vehicle as well. So you've got the carbon front splitter, the carbon surrounder on the front grille. You've even got carbon wing mirrors. You've also got four 19-inch alloy wheels in fantastic condition, as well as the blue and performance brake calipers. You've also got the privacy glass with the black trim around the windows, as well as the sunroof, which you can see that's currently on tilt. You've also got the shark fin antenna. You do have front and rear parking sensors in this vehicle. You've also got the I-back lowering springs, carbon rear diffuser, as well as the spoiler. But you do also have the genuine BMW M Performance exhaust. Now the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It really does look absolutely superb from every angle. You don't see many vehicles looking like this with this spec on the road. Now you have got the oyster leather brush mat handle, silver with the piano black trim. You've also got the premium Harman Kardon sound system throughout, as well as the storage net behind both seats. You've got the ISO fixed points. You've even got the armrest, which you can drop down. Incredibly comfortable, perfect for anybody in the back. If we just go into the front where the driver is, you've got more of that oyster leather, silver trim with the piano black trim, as well as the Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows, as well as the electric wing mirrors. You've also got lovely leather, incredibly comfortable. If we just sit in, you do have your auto lights, keyless start, so with the key in your pocket, foot on the brake, it'll start up for you. Now the vehicle has done just over 26,900 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. You've also got your auto high beam assist, auto wipers, cruise control, speed limiter, volume controls, mode select, paddle shift on either side. Now you do have your Pro Nav. You've also got your DAB radio. On top of that, you've got CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, as well as USB. Communication, call your friends and family on the go. Put it into reverse, front and rear parking sensors. But you do also have different drive modes as well, so you've got Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. More of that piano black trim, as well as the silver. Traffic updates, heated front seats. You can easily turn them on or off. Touch of a button, ice cold aircon, USB connectivity. Two nice cup holders, or you can keep them locked off. Traction control button, driver mode select, parking sensors, more of that piano black trim. This is also a touchpad, shortcuts for the nav, map, media, communication. You've even got wireless charging underneath this armrest as well, and it can push forward for you for that extra bit of comfort, entirely up to you. You've even got the extended thigh support, incredibly comfortable seats, and that sunroof can close for you as well. It can open fully, but with it raining I won't do that, and you can even close it off. Absolutely perfect regardless of the weather. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, and it will also come with a new service, new MOT, and it's HPI clear. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive for a 2017 67 plate BMW 320i M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this test drive, of course, to show you this vehicle drives exactly as you'd expect it to. For example, just drive straight through. As you can see, it's not pulling me in any direction at all. Now you do have your cruise control, so we press the cruise control button, push this little lever up here, and it'll activate. For example, we're at 53 miles an hour now. If you push it all the way up, you'll feel a click. It adjusts to the nearest 5 miles an hour. So now it's 55 miles an hour, and then we do it again, and it's 60 miles an hour. If you nudge it, it'll drop back down 1 mile an hour each time you nudge it. Now to deactivate, you simply press the cruise control button to completely turn off. Push it again, completely turned off. They do also have your sunroof. You've also got a little blind here, so you can close it off or open it. You've also got your Pro Nav, DAB radio, premium Harman Kardon, heated front seats. You've even got a heated steering wheel on this vehicle as well. Extended thigh support. Put all that together. It doesn't matter if it's a cold, wintry morning or a hot, sunny day. It's perfect regardless with the ice cold aircon as well. Heated steering wheel, so cold for mornings, not an issue at all. Now when you are actually driving, you have got the genuine M Performance exhaust on this as well, so it sounds fantastic, but it's not too loud. You've got the perfect combination of power and economy, so you can easily do those long distance journeys, still get out feeling fresh, but you're also not burning through loads of fuel either. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the past 3-4 years. Free next day nationwide delivery for just over a year and a half. So even though the COVID-19 situation has caused many issues for many companies, it still is, we feel like we're quite well prepared, as it's nothing new to us. So what we've done is adjusted it slightly. It's now contactless delivery. we'll sanitize the keys, we'll sanitize our hands before we get in the vehicle and do an extra thorough prep clean of the vehicle before it goes out for delivery, and that just helps ensure your safety and our safety, of course. Now, we are a 5-star dealership, so we've got way over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone. Many more on other websites too, like Car Gurus. So feel free, go online, check out some of these reviews, and you'll be able to see that people do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. And we honestly want you to have such good experience buying from us that you'd happily want to come back again in the future, or even recommend us to your friends and your family. Now, we are also on Facebook and Instagram, so feel free to follow us on these social platforms. You will be able to keep up to date with the latest stock we do get in, and that way you never need to miss out on any vehicle. Now, as I'm sure you have heard through this short journey, it is free from any knocks and any bangs. That's an important aspect that you would be looking out for if you're actually here driving this vehicle today. And what we're about to do is just turn right to the industrial park. I'll perform an emergency stop. As you can see, no issues whatsoever. Straight into reverse, front and rear parking sensors, and then straight into drive again. Now, this is usually where you're incredibly happy with the vehicle. You'd want to go to the office and see what deal you can get for it. Now, of course, you're not here at this moment in time, but feel free to still get in touch. Part exchanges are still welcome, so just let us know the make and model of your vehicle and if there's any existing damage. Now, if anything hasn't been answered in the test drive video, the walk around video, or the pictures, just let us know. We'll even do a FaceTime video of this vehicle for you. But other than that, thank you very much for watching.